What's up, guys? We're gonna cut some dead tubes today. This used to hold the old bypass when I used to have those leaf thingies right here. They're no longer needed, and it's also a dead tube, so I'm gonna cut it out. I'll cut it as close as I can right here, leave it, and run a new tube to here to support the new fuel cell carrier that I'm not ready to show you guys. So I want to slam you guys in the GoPro and we will get into this. Wow, was that terrible GoPro footage or what? We got both sides cut off. I know the GoPro footage is really fast and sorry, it sucks, but GoPro hooked me up. Got everything all cleaned up. Both sides are chopped and cleaned, ready for some new tubage. That'll be it for this video. So stay tuned for the next video. Fuel cell carrier is getting closer to being done. Almost ready to show you guys that video, but make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment below. Stay tuned for the next one.